I've been to New York City probably about 10 times now, and I've never visited the Statue of Liberty. So today, I'm finally gonna do it. I'm taking a sunset boat cruise, and it's gonna be so cool. It was my last day in New York, and I didn't have any tickets purchased in advance. So I took the metro down to Battery Park, and there were tons of guys down there trying to sell tickets to the Statue of Liberty. I compared prices and bargained with a few of them, then finally settled on one for $31 plus tax. The boat trip was only an hour long, which was perfect because I only had a few hours before I had to take off to the airport to head home.
You guys should go downstairs to the front of the boat.